Good morning, everybody. Just want to do a really quick video this morning, let you know I got my new sprouts. Really happy with them so far. Let's see, it comes like this, and it is, I believe it's half a pound, and I got it on Amazon. It's Food to Live, and it is a blend. Let's see, yeah, it's half a pound. It's organic broccoli, organic alfalfa, organic clover, and organic radish seeds. So, and that's what I wanted, really, was just the broccoli and the radish to give it flavor. So I am looking forward to these a lot. I got my new sprouting lids. So I've got 3 jars going. I am going to empty these because these have been soaking all night. And we'll see what they look like when I come home later on today. I'm sure that some will start sprouting, and certainly by tomorrow we'll have some sprouting. I'm really excited. Can't wait to try these. So I wanted to show you also my little celery plant. And yes, it looks terribly awful here, but you're going to plant this. So it's getting a couple of little teeny roots down there, but the plant itself is growing. So I just wanted to update you guys on this. I'm going to plant this in the garden. I'll give you a garden update later on. Probably going to be canning green beans today, and doing the dehydrated potato powder. Have my potatoes all dehydrated, and there's a reason that I didn't show that online. I ran out of time, and I really wasn't sure that they were coming out right because I wasn't feeling too good over the weekend. Hurt my back. Well, my back was hurting. So I didn't get to do as much as I wanted to, and the potatoes kind of sat for a few hours after I boiled them, and so I didn't do the mashed potatoes like I wanted to. I did some, but I didn't do all of them, and I just cut the rest of them and dehydrated them. So I will show you guys how to make potato powder later on today. And I will see you later. Have a great day, guys. It's Wednesday, midweek. See you later. Bye.